you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Alright guys, alright, we get back with another video. Today, taking out, got a little shipment in. We're gonna start out with these. We're gonna test these out on the truck, and then we're gonna go to some different ones. So be sure to like and subscribe and use the link down below to pick them up. Of course, if you need some of these, just, you can hit me in the DM if you need, anything like this or whatnot. But if not, be sure to use the links down below. So, of course, right here we got the 6MB200 version 2 right here. We got, you go ahead. We got another one. We got the version 2 right there. We got 4 of these, so put that over to the side. Let's see where the other one. One more in here somewhere. Okay, here we go. We got the other one right here. That's our 4 right there. We need 4 of them for these speaker pods that we got. Like I said, use the links down below if you want to pick it up, order it online. But if you want to just get it directly from me or whatnot, we can work that out too. So, all right. We got the AMPERE 450 version 2 as well. We're gonna open one of these in a minute. All right. Got 4 of these as well, so. All right. Like I said, y'all be sure to like and subscribe and share the videos and whatnot. I know y'all usually like those speaker videos, so we haven't heard one in a while, so we're gonna go ahead and do this. All right. Let me get my blade out. All right, so we're gonna do the 6MB 200 version 2 first. Everything kind of low. Okay. So, of course, you'll get the manual right there. We're gonna put that to the side. You get the PRV sticker right here. It's the white one. All right. All right. You can see right there the 6MB200 version 2 8-ohm. It's 100 watts RMS, 200 watts program power, 400 watts peak. All right. That is made pretty good, so we're gonna go ahead and get this back in there. We got another video I'm gonna show y'all. It ain't really, it's car audio related, but it's kind of not, but we're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna get it started because it's almost run out of daylight. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in the box. Y'all see that one right there? Let me go ahead and do the 8-inch. All right, we got the AMPERE 450 version 2. These are mid-bass speakers. So you got your manual as usual. You got the white PRV sticker. And we got these don't come with the push terminal. It's more of a budget option, but I think they sound pretty good as well. So we're gonna definitely find out. AMPERE 450 version 2, 400 watts. It's an 8-ohm as well. Looks like it's made pretty well. So y'all be sure to stick around and see, the performance or whatnot. Y'all stay tuned. Be sure to like, subscribe, use the link down below. Like I said, if you need any kind of merchandise products or whatnot, maybe I can help you out on it or whatnot. Be sure to DM me. And I'll see y'all back on the next. Be sure to like, subscribe, check the links out down below. Use the codes, use discounts, CarAudioConnect.com. I'll see y'all back on the next one.
You got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.